Hello, my name is Ismail Aliyu and I'm really pleased to be with you all here. This is just a quick reminder for those who are really thinking about their life and where they really need to be. We should all know that this life that we are in is a journey, and for every person is a unique experience, and those experiences makes up who we are in our life. The more you understand your experiences, the more you understand yourself, because the effects of those experiences now changes the kind of person you are at that moment. If you had horrible experiences in the past, definitely you have disturbing thoughts and feelings that you are not aware of in the present moment. You may not know the reason why it has occurred because it has been long that those events occurred in your life. But they are there, buried under a happy face. The society requests that every person should wear a happy face. That is what a strong person is. Once you show what is truly going on with you, you'll be classed as a weak. But main important thing to do is to figure out why it happened, to go back in time and see what really occurred in your life that you were not aware of. It might be during your childhood, it might be in your teenage, or it might be somewhere close to your present moment. When you are able to understand your experiences, you'll be able to connect with yourself and see really what are those things that are disturbing your thoughts, your sleeps, and your mental health situations. We must seek the help of a friend, but the most we can get is to man up. That means that we should be strong, we should pray a lot, things will be over. Well, that does count, but it doesn't really solve the problem, because you can never get relieved of a problem that you don't know the root of. How can you get the solution of a problem you don't know what the problem is in the first place? You must first identify the problem before you get the solution. Know where it came from, know how it affects you, and know when it started. That is when you know how to tackle the problem you are facing in your life. But we have many problems in our life, and how can we figure out which one is really affecting us? Through the power of meditation, we can connect with ourselves and see those thoughts that we have been ignoring for a while. Everyone is almost busy at work, busy seeking for relationships, because many people are always looking for love. We want people to show us affection. We seem to be lost, and everyone is seeking for some validation of some kind. We are always about what we can get from others, but not what others can get from us. So it is time to really connect with ourselves and see what is really the most important aspect of our life. The most important aspect of our life is ourselves, because in the end, it is you that matters. All other people in the picture you see today may not be in the picture you will create tomorrow. They may not be necessarily of importance to the picture you want to create for yourself. But there's no one who will really help you through other than yourself. You have to discuss with your mind, with your soul, and see what really matters for you. Although many people don't find it comfortable doing meditations to get used to it, it is the way out. Because as we are busy doing things, it is all a noisy world. Imagine you are at a party and the music is really playing loud. How can you hear other conversations that are going around? No, you can't. There is a similar situation in our life. We have many things calling for our attentions. Relationships with others, at work, in the family, love relationships, our studies, community, and all that. Then who are we going to attend to? Where do we know where our energy needs to be there? We don't really know about that. But when you are silent, you get the chance to filter all thoughts and get the most important thoughts that need to be discussed with your mind and see how to go about them. Because when you are in a silent mode, you can really see those things that you were never able to discover in your noises. So let's make the environment and speak with ourselves and see what really matters in our life. Ask yourself, what do I really want? And how do I get what I really want? We can't just sit and start blaming everybody for the life you are living. People may play a part, but they are just there in the picture because you need them in that picture to make for those experiences. Those experiences may mean another thing. They will be teaching you some key important aspects of knowledge. Those experiences may come with wisdom. You see, pains are connected to wisdom. Pains are just unprocessed wisdom to an extent. Although I'm not talking about all pains, but whenever a pain is processed and it is healed, what yields is wisdom. Because you learn the patience, the perseverance, you learn from them. You now see how important it is to be calm. Because you be aware that whatever starts, surely we have an end to it. No matter the situation you are in, you will know there will be a time whereby it will be no more. And that is why we really need to find that peace within ourselves. We are all searching for this kind of feeling, although not many of us are aware of this feeling. But this feeling makes people go crazy in search to fulfill that feeling, to fill up this void that we feel in us. You know, there's that certain kind of emptiness in us. So many people think, okay, by loving a partner, we might be able to fill that void. But sometimes it doesn't really matter that way. For some people, they may need the love. For some people, they may need the love, but that is not what is needed to fill that void. You have some questions which are not answered, and you need the answers for them. Soul searching now becomes a necessity. Ask yourself, what is life? Where am I even going with this life? What do I need from life? What does life need from me? What are my goals? What are my dreams? What are my fears? What makes me happy? What makes me sad? What made me the person I am today? And what will make me the person I want to be tomorrow? Ask yourself those questions, and you see answers coming to you. Write down those questions, and with time, you'll find the answers to those questions. The answers may come through your dreams, they may come through even your daydreaming. They may come at any time. So take note of those random thoughts that comes to your mind. Don't just ignore them. Pay attention to every little detail. The signs may be everywhere, on billboards, on paper, in the songs that you listen. They are there, but you are not just listening to those messages. Thank you. It's just a short one, and inshallah when we meet next, we will discuss more on what needed to be done to start this journey. So I just wanted to share a small piece with you as a starter before we really start discussing on a deeper aspect of the whole thing. But believe me, whatever has been broken can be amended. Everything needs time, so give it the time. Know that one day it will be over. Nothing stays permanent. Not making a choice is making a choice. So no matter what, try as much as you can to see that you make some changes in your life. It is not necessary for us to be talking about it all the time, but start talking about how to get rid of those problems. That is what will lead us to a path that will heal that situation for us. So thank you all. My name is Ismail Ali. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.